My definition of a father is one that can be a strong leader, a provider, and also can see what's inside of their children and help bring it out.
Someone who gives you encouragement, someone who can pick you up even when you've fallen.
A father is a man who steps up to the plate. Regardless of any circumstance or situation, he gets the job done. He doesn't walk out on his family. He's there for his family.
And that is somebody who allows the love, the comfort, the affection, and the wisdom of God to flow through that person to the person that they're fathering.
I didn't have a relationship with my father growing up, so he was not an example of a father.
With my real dad, he left when I was 9, but after that, I would say there was nobody until I came in contact with Pastor.
Well, growing up, I had a father in the house, but it seemed like something was kind of missing. And I never knew what that was that I was missing. Until you come in contact with your spiritual father, it seems like it's a void.
We definitely want to understand that people are placed in our life as bridges.
A spiritual father is one man who leads by example, who can teach you with simplicity and understanding.
I met Pastor right here on the campus of Ronald E. McNair Middle School.
Dr. Dollar's faith is like no other. If it was not for him in my life, there were only 2 places I would have been. First of all, I'm alive today. I'm born again today. I love God today. And it was all because of the spiritual teachings that he gave me.
His love towards me prepared me to receive the Father's love towards myself.
It is my job as a spiritual son to connect with his grace and his vision and take it to the next level.
Pastors teach me really to be a man of honor, a man of integrity, a man of character. I try to bring that home to my wife every day.
And because of you, I am able to go out and help spread the word of God.
I now am in a position where I'm being able to mentor and speak to young men that have been in the same place that I've been in.
Dr. Dollar, on behalf of the congregation of World Changers Church International, I personally want to wish you a happy Father's Day.
For the leadership and the guidance that you provide on a continual basis to help us become strong men and women.
To go out on your behalf, in your name, to represent this great ministry.
Sir, on the behalf of the congregation, as well as myself, I thank you for your willingness and your commitment to impart into our lives.
A happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you.
Happy Father's Day.